In the heart of the bustling city of Tel Aviv, on a 225 sqm, 9m narrow plot, we created an urban green dream for a family of 5. The pool, which is parallel to the house and partially roofed by the second floor, takes part in this indoor-outdoor experience and can be viewed from the living space. Even the stairs, a significant, blue-colored feature, hover over the pool, giving a full view of its full 19m length. Upstairs, the kids have their front terrace with a railing made up of a combination of cables and steel frames which create a pattern inspired by the Art Deco and Bauhaus decorative language scattered all around the white city of Tel Aviv. We love showcasing the materials: the bare concrete ceiling and concrete wall, architectural concrete floor, the constructional steel columns, shaped as a cross plus sign, are also bare and exposed, parallel layer to the glass walls. Here's a look at the plan. The plot is narrow but contains everything that we required and, while building, we managed to safely maintain the attached old house to the side. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI home design ideas, we'd appreciate it.